everyone. Welcome to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 61. I'm Lily, and today we are talking about something really useful for daily life: how to ask for solutions or advice. You know those moments when something goes wrong and you think, oh no, what now? Maybe your phone dies, you burn dinner, you feel stuck with homework, or a friend is upset. We all have these problems. The good news is, asking for help in English is easy once you know a few simple phrases, and we will repeat them many, many times today so they stay in your head forever. I'm here with my best friend, Ben. Hi, Ben.
Hey, Lily. Hello to all our listeners around the world. Yes, asking for solutions or advice is one of the most important things in real conversations. Today, we will practice these key phrases again and again. What should I do? Can you give me some advice? Do you have any suggestions? How can I fix this? I need help with. Should I? Any advice? We will go through tons of everyday situations: morning problems, tech fails, cooking, school, shopping, health, money, friends, travel, home, exercise, and more. Let's make it fun and repeat a lot. Ready? Let's start.
Perfect. First situation, classic morning chaos. I wake up, look at my phone. Oh no, I'm 30 minutes late. Alarm didn't ring. I run to my roommate. Oh no, my alarm didn't go off. I'm super late. What should I do? Or, can you give me some advice? How can I get ready in 5 minutes?
Haha, panic mode. Your roommate says brush teeth fast, grab clothes, run to the bus. Listeners, repeat slowly. What should I do? Good. Now faster. What should I do? One more time with feeling. What should I do? You sound confident already.
Now, phone problem. My battery is at 3% and I need to call my mom. I ask my brother, my phone is dying. What should I do? Or, do you have any suggestions? Where is a charger?
Quick, find any cable or power bank. Repeat 3 times. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Do you have any suggestions? Say it loud. Do you have any suggestions? Great.
Another tech fail. Internet stopped working and I need to send an email for work. I ask my dad, the Wi-Fi is gone. How can I fix this? Can you give me some advice?
Restart the router, wait 1 minute, or use mobile data. Repeat. How can I fix this? How can I fix this? Can you give me some advice? Can you give me some advice? Nice job.
Laptop frozen right before online class. I shout to my sister, my laptop froze. What should I do right now? Or, I need help with my computer. Any advice?
Force restart or close programs. Repeat. What should I do right now? I need help with. Any advice? Excellent.
Cooking time, always fun. I have pasta, tomatoes, and cheese. I call my friend. I want to cook dinner. What should I make? Do you have any suggestions?
Easy pasta with tomato sauce. Boil water, cook pasta, add sauce. Repeat. What should I make? What should I make? Do you have any suggestions? Say it twice more. You're doing awesome.
Burnt the toast again. I ask my mom. I burnt my toast. What should I do next time? Any advice?
Lower the toaster setting. Watch it carefully. Repeat. What should I do next time? Any advice? Good.
School moment. Math homework is too difficult. I message my classmate. This math problem is hard. What should I do? Or, I need help with equations. Can you give me some advice?
Try step by step or look for examples. Repeat. What should I do? I need help with. Can you give me some advice? Perfect.
English pronunciation is confusing. I ask my teacher, I can't pronounce this word. How can I practice? Do you have any suggestions?
Listen and repeat after videos. Speak slowly. Repeat. How can I practice? Do you have any suggestions? Great.
Shopping dilemma. Beautiful shoes, but very expensive. I ask Ben, Ben, these shoes are nice, but cost a lot. Should I buy them? Any advice?
Maybe wait for discount or find similar, cheaper ones. Repeat, should I buy them? Should I buy them? Any advice? Any advice? You got it.
Health issue. Headache after long screen time. I ask my friend, I have a headache. What should I do? Or, can you give me some advice for headache?
Drink water, rest eyes, take a short walk. Repeat many times, what should I do? What should I do for a headache? Can you give me some advice? Super.
Sore throat from cold weather. I ask Mom, my throat hurts. What should I do? Or, do you have any suggestions?
Warm tea with honey, no cold drinks. Repeat, what should I do? Do you have any suggestions? Good.
Money tight. Spent too much on coffee. I ask sister, I have little money left. How can I save? I need suggestions.
Skip coffee shop. Make it home. Track spending. Repeat, how can I save? How can I save? I need suggestions. I need suggestions. Awesome.
Friend not replying messages. I feel sad. I ask another friend, my friend isn't answering. What should I do? Or, do you have any advice? Should I call?
Send kind message. Hey, miss you. Repeat, what should I do? Do you have any advice? Emotional and good.
Lost on the street. New city. No idea where I am. I ask someone, excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me? How can I get to the park?
Use phone map or follow directions. Repeat, excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me? How can I get to? 3 times each.
Room super messy. Clothes everywhere. I ask brother, my room is a disaster. What should I do first? Can you give me some advice?
Start with one corner. Clothes first. Repeat, what should I do first? What should I do first? Can you give me some advice? Nice.
Want to start exercising. No energy. I ask Ben, I want to exercise, but I'm tired. How can I start? Any suggestions?
Begin with a 10-minute walk every day. Repeat, how can I start? Any suggestions? Great.
Can't sleep at night. Too many thoughts. I ask Lily, I can't fall asleep. What should I do? Or, do you have any suggestions for sleep? No phone in bed. Read a book. Deep breathing. Repeat, I can't fall asleep. What should I do? Do you have any suggestions? Relaxing. Plants look sad and yellow. I ask my neighbor, my flowers are dying. What should I do? Any advice?
More or less water. Better light. Repeat phrases.
Cat won't eat dinner. Worried. I ask vet chat, my cat isn't eating. What should I do?
Check if sick. Try new food. Repeat.
Rain all day. Planned picnic canceled. I ask my family, rain ruined our picnic. What should I do instead? Suggestions?
Movie night or board games inside. Repeat.
New phone. Settings confusing. I ask my friend, I don't understand my new phone. How can I set it up? Can you give me some advice?
Follow setup wizard slowly. Repeat.
Small fight with boyfriend or girlfriend. I ask my best friend, we argued. What should I do? Or, do you have any advice?
Say sorry. Talk calmly. Repeat.
Studying feels boring. Can't concentrate. I ask my teacher, studying is hard today. What should I do to focus?
Pomodoro. 25-minute study, 5-minute break. Repeat.
Party soon. Don't know menu. I ask my cousin, I'm having a party. What food should I make? Any suggestions?
Chips, pizza, fruits. Easy. Repeat.
We covered so many real-life situations today. Late mornings, dead batteries, no internet, frozen laptops, cooking ideas, burned food, hard homework, pronunciation help, expensive shopping, headaches, sore throats, low money, silent friends, getting lost, messy rooms, starting exercise, sleep trouble, dying plants, cat problems, rainy days, new phones, small arguments, boring study, party planning, and even more.
And in every single one, we repeated our powerful phrases over and over. What should I do? Can you give me some advice? Do you have any suggestions? How can I fix this, or start, or save? Should I? Any advice? I need help with.
These are now your best English tools. Say them every day to parents, friends, teachers, shop assistants, even to yourself in the mirror. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn faster. You are improving with every repetition.
Thank you so much for listening to episode 61. Keep asking questions, keep practicing English, keep being awesome.
Bye, everyone. You did great today. Practice these phrases this week. Stay positive, and we'll meet again soon in the next episode. Take care and keep thinking in English. Hugs!